What's going down, guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome again, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing another beard product that came from Artius Man. I will post a link down below, and for those who are first time checking on my channel, my name is Tomas and I review beard products. Now, like I said, in today's video we're going to be reviewing Artius Man. So I've received another package from Artius Man. They all look just like this one, get the nice logo. Now, before I go ahead and open this one, I want to apologize to those who watched my previous video, me reviewing one of their products, and to those who will watch my previous video reviewing one of their products. I became violent and I really apologize. And what I did was I brutally, violently stabbed the package, and I destroyed thank you letter, thank you card that was inside. And that's one of the things that I really appreciate about Artius Man. They do value customer service, and Jeff is one of the partners. He's the one, I guess, maybe not the only one, but he's usually the one that writes these thank you letters and thank you cards. I believe there will be another one over here. Jeff, if you're watching this video, man, I got a bunch of your thank you cards. I always keep them safe, and the one that I destroyed in previous video is totally my fault. I got new knife. Okay, it's this knife that I bought a couple days ago, or whatever, a couple of weeks ago. It's kind of heavy. It's not easy to work with, but today I'm going to be very gentle, and very gently I'm going to try to open the package just like normal people do. They usually cut it up here so they don't destroy anything that's usually down here in the middle or down here. Okay, and in previous video I just brutally stabbed it right in the middle of the package and destroyed that thank you card. So again, today I'm going to be very gentle. I'm going to do this very slowly, very gently. Let's see. Ooh, perfect. I didn't do anything today. There's the thank you card that I destroyed last time. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's perfect. I like it. I like these things. Tomas, thanks for the order. Enjoy the products. Jeff, thank you again. You are the best. And sorry for the previous card. Now, let's see what we have here. To be honest with you, I've ordered 1 ounce of beard oil, which is Mountain Air, exactly. So, and what they did, this was a deal I mentioned in the previous video. I don't think they have this deal anymore. They had a deal that if you buy one of their scents, 1 ounce, but it has to be, the bigger one, because they also have these little samples, but it was 1 ounce bottle, and if you buy any of their scents, they will match that scent with beard wash. And here we go. This is it. So this is beard oil. This is how it's packed. It's pretty good. It's a little Ziploc. I'm gonna have to cut that. I actually have another knife that's kind of like very small knife. I just don't know where it is, but there we go. I'm gonna try this one again. Drop the beard wash. I picked it up. Okay, now Mountain Air. I don't think I've tried Mountain Air before. I've got few reviews, few videos that I've done about Artius Man and their scents, and I do not think I had Mountain Air. So let's open it. Let's see what it smells like. Let me see. Okay. It's it's hard to describe. I would say it's very soft, very gentle, kind of another like I would say like fresh smell. Very similar to Wise Man. If for those who tried Wise Man, it's also citrusy. And yeah, I would actually, this is very close to Wise Man. So if you haven't tried Wise Man, or if you have tried Wise Man, it's very close to Wise Man. And if you haven't, I have actually video reviewing Wise Man. So it's very similar, and it also has a citrusy smell into it, so which is really good. Their beard oils are loaded with a lot of oils, a lot of organic and natural oils, and their essential oils are phenomenal too. They use castor seed oil. They used sunflower seed oil, jojoba oil, shea seed oil, argan oil, marula oil, baobab oil, and vitamin E, and their essential oils. So it's loaded. It's really good. They have a lot of oils, and it's always thick, and it lasts forever. And when I say forever, I mean like forever. I'm not gonna apply it because I just did apply another beard oil, so I don't want to mix them, but I will definitely but I definitely like this one. Now, like I said before, I'm going to say it again. You can go to their website, and I'm not an affiliate with Artius Man, so I'm not making money out of these videos, but I do really like them, and guys, I want you to try them. And what I really appreciate about Artius Man, and I wish everybody was doing the same thing, they have this button that says beard oil samples. Click that button, and guys, you can choose 2 samples. They're not a 1 ounce sample, they're smaller bottles. So they have so many scents, you can choose two samples and put them in your cart and check it out. And once you basically checking out, all you have to pay for is the shipping, which is $3.95 or whatever it is, and that's it. And it's a phenomenal thing to do, so you can actually test it out before you commit to something. Like I said, their beard oils are very, very thick, and I've tried few of them already. Like, I've tried few samples. This is my first 1 ounce bottle, and I'm glad I bought these because it's good. It smells very good. But so far, I have to say, I haven't tried all of them yet, but I'm still going to be ordering more samples. So stay tuned. I will review more beard oils. Now, more of these samples. The one that I've reviewed in previous video was spiced latte. I mean, like I said before, I'm not a coffee drinker, but oh my God, I even applied it in my beard. I was gonna bite my beard. It was so delicious. It's so good. I actually do it every day, and it's by far my favorite beard oil, my favorite scent. Not only from Artius Man, but I would say in general. So yeah, but this one, it's not bad at all. It's really good. Now, so that's the beard oil, and like I said, they also match the beard wash. So I had to pick it up. I'm back. I had to pick it up because I dropped the bottle. So let's do this. I'm gonna be gentle again with this big knife. Big badass knife. I'm not violent. I'm in general a very peaceful guy, so I'm sorry. I don't know what the hell I was doing, like stabbing that package so badly. Now, safety first, seals off. Mountain Air. This is what it looks like. Okay. Down there it says Mountain Air. Can't really see it, but whatever. And Artius Man. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Let's see. Just like beard oil. Just like the beard oil. And like I said, they are very, 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 very soft and citrusy too. Yep. Perfect. I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna try these guys, and not right now, but I will try it. Now the ingredients. Ingredients are very similar to the beard oil. So it's coconut oil. There's olive oil, sunflower oil, aloe vera juice extract, and basically it's very essential oils. So, and it's all organic and natural, which I do believe it is, because it really smells nice and soft. So let's see how much I will like this one, and I will let you guys know. Alright, so again, thank you for stopping by, watching my video. So guys, stay tuned. There will be more Artius Man. Not only Artius Man, there's a lot of beard content coming up. So stay tuned, and I will see you soon. Cheers.